Honestly, 2025 was a crazy year for me. Not just the channel, my whole life changed. But through all of that, I kept working on one thing. And today I am finally ready to show it to you. But before we do that, let me tell you what kind of year it actually was. The biggest change? We moved to Denmark, a completely new country, new language, new school system for my daughter, everything. And I am learning Danish, and let me tell you, Danish is not easy. Dansk et svars bra. But I am making progress, and it does feel great. It has definitely been one of those years where everything changed at the same time. When it comes to the YouTube channel, it was a great year. We crossed 50,000 subscribers, we hit 3 million views, and we collaborated with some really great sponsors. So thank you, every single one of you who watched, subscribed, shared the videos. This would not be possible without you. And for 2026, I have planned some really exciting videos, some financial experiments, a lot of education, and of course, stock analysis. It's going to be great. And now here's the really exciting part. For the past few months, I have spent every free moment building something, testing, rebuilding, obsessing over every detail. And I'm not gonna lie, there were days I wanted to stop. But what came out of it was definitely worth it. Stock Investing Academy started as a course platform. Now it is something much bigger, a full investment research system. Let me show you what that looks like. The analysis table covers over 300 companies updated daily. You open a company dashboard and straight away you see its strong points, its weak points, and 3 different valuations, so you know whether it is actually worth your money. Then we have elite investor portfolios. You see exactly what top investors are holding, when they bought, and how their decisions played out. You can learn from the best without making the expensive mistakes yourself. Finally, valuation calculators. They allow you to figure out what a company is actually worth in minutes. And everything works together. One platform, one login, one clear answer to the question every investor asks. Is this a good investment? And that brings me to the special offer. For all of you who have been supporting this channel through the years, I wanted to say thank you in a way that actually means something. So right now you can get a 10% off premium membership on Stock Investing Academy, and this is not a one-time discount. This rate is forever. As long as you are a member, you keep the 10% off. But this offer ends on March 15th. So if you want to lock in this discount, you need to act before that. The link is in the description. Go to stockinvesting.academy, register, and use the code FOREVER10 at the checkout. So a huge year behind us and an even bigger one ahead. Thank you for being a part of this journey. It truly means a lot. And see you in the next one.